Yo, so in this video, I'm gonna go over the framework for how you create a golden offer. In the next video, I'll go into like specifics about exactly what you need to do to create this offer and different things that you can do to make a fantastic offer that sells well and allows you to charge premium prices. I'm going to run through the document because I want people to actually use the document as a resource. So the golden offer framework here, you're going to design the dream outcome, and that starts with you defining who is the person that you're serving. Now think about that person. Like, watch my other trainings on creating the ideal client avatar if you haven't already seen them. So who's the person that you're serving, right? And then from that person, what is their ultimate desire? And you're going to articulate this clearly so that you can provide a transformation that your client wants. Be specific and measurable to resonate deeply with their desires. The next thing is you want to build confidence in your offer. So if you already have social proof, for example, if you're in the fitness niche, you're going to provide, your before and your afters to show that you've done this for yourself and you've gotten results. If you worked with other clients before, just show social proof. Show like this is where they started, this is where they are now. This person went from 60 pounds overweight to having a killer six pack, and this is the exact method that we use. So implement, like, you want to increase confidence of success. If you don't have testimonials, you can leverage your past experiences to build confidence. For example, you can say, I've had experience over the past 10 years doing this, 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 and this. And then you can offer a roadmap to achieve their desired outcome. So when you first launch the offer, you might lack testimonials, in which case rely on past successes, educational background, professional training, past experience. And then also people are going to have resistance to working with you if you don't already have a lot of proven success, in which case you want to implement a risk reversal. This is something that you implement in the offer, or you can implement it in the sales process when somebody's not really ready to buy. You reverse the risk by providing a great guarantee so that you're the one who's taking on the risk, and then it's like a no-brainer for them to move forward. For example, if somebody was like, but you don't have any testimonials and I could go work with this other person and I know that at least I'll get the result. It's like, okay, fair enough. But if you work with them, you'll have to invest 10K up front. There's absolutely no guarantee. So if it doesn't work out, you'll lose the full investment. With me, you work with me, the total investment is just going to be X, X, and X, right? And if you don't get the result, you do the work, you don't get the result, I'll refund your money back, 100% guarantee. Now it's a no-brainer. It's like, oh, well, if there's no risk to me, I might go ahead and step forward. So that's right here when you're going to offer free or discount initial services. This is what you're doing to build the results. Offering the guarantee is actually going to be a risk reversal, right? And that's what I was talking about before. You're reversing risk. And you do this you push people over the edge by decreasing the risk they assume when purchasing. Another thing that you can actually do is incorporate surprise and mystery. So you can add unexpected bonuses or keep parts of the process mysterious to build excitement. Another thing is like gamification. So if you look at like what Alex Hormozi did with the school games, it's a game, which is what makes it so exciting. When you join this different school communities, you'll notice that certain parts are unlocked until you achieve certain milestones. So now it's gamified, right? And they've been doing this for a long time. Gamification is incredibly powerful when it comes to an offer. But so go ahead and benefit, like determine what's the desired outcome. That's the benefit. Build anticipation of it, and then increase client commitment, outcomes, and conversions. Right. So we're gonna optimize client experience here. And how do we optimize the client experience? We're gonna minimize the wait period between when they start working with you and they get their first win. So this is what I call here fast action pathways. So you're going to provide things like templates, tools, or short-term milestones to deliver quick wins. This is how you're actually going to fulfill the offer. So this isn't how you create the offer. This is me giving you the framework of what is a fantastic offer. So people join your program and instantly they start experiencing wins. For example, if you join my program, you're going to come in, you're going to instantly, you're going to come in, you're going to dial in your offer. Cool. You have an offer. Now you have something you didn't have before. Now we're going to launch your ad campaign. We're going to launch the instant funnel system. Now you have leads. Like you're getting wins, you're getting leads, you're getting momentum. Now you're starting to book calls. So it all happens very fast. And that it gives you positive reinforcement that you made the right decision. And that's what keeps you going along the path. There's a lot of studies that show that, people who get a win early on tend to stay motivated longer and they get wins long term because they're committed. So this is where we're talking about like implementing the risk reversal. This is how you're going to optimize client experience. So add guarantees or assurances, money back guarantees, success until achieved promises. And this eliminates client fears. This is all the things that you're going to incorporate into your offer. This isn't how you create the offer. I'm just saying that again. This is the framework, all the components of a golden offer, but it's not how you actually create it. So we're going to enhance accessibility. So, but you want to maintain exclusivity. So you position the offer as something attainable for a broader audience. Anyone can join, but only the top performers unlock, certain perks or elite perks, or only the top performers are eligible to move to your next program. For example, on the front end of your offer, you might bring people in and you get them from 0 to 10K a month. On the back end of the offer, you get them from 10K to 50K a month, or from 30K to 50K a month, or from 50K to 100K a month. So it's like people who join in on the front end, they're excited about this offer, but then they learn that you have something on the back end that they're not eligible for yet. And now it gives them something to work toward, and that actually creates exclusivity, which increases their action and their commitment because they now have something else to strive for. So this is like all a part of the offer. You're going to maximize your offer appeal. How do you maximize your offer appeal? You can do this with elevating bonuses. So, with bonuses, you're going to include high value bonuses that address secondary pain points, offer exclusivity, or create urgency. So, for example, if you're selling from the stage, like people sell from the stage, and what they'll do is they'll create a fantastic offer. You're already excited about it. And then they'll say, but for people who purchase, like if it's a 2-day event, for people who purchase this product today, you'll get a private one-on-one meeting with me, a consultation with me, where I'll actually give you the exact blueprint that you need to build your business and avoid paying for taxes, right? So it's like, oh, I want that bonus. Otherwise, if you don't move today, that bonus is going to cost an additional $2,500 in the future. Or, for people who act in the first 2 days, if you just decide today or tomorrow, then you won't be eligible for that other thing, but at least I'll provide you this other thing for free. And it's just like a bonus that increases urgency, and it has to be real. Like you can't fake urgency. It has to be real urgency. So the framework here to make it easier to conceptualize is focus first on the dream outcome, enhance client experience to reduce friction and build trust, and finish by amplifying the offer's appeal to make it irresistible. So, when it comes to these are the things that you have to conceptualize when you're going to create your offer. Now, how you actually create the offer, I'll go into that in the next video, like in this document, and I won't just read off the document for the next one. But you need to understand how the offer works before you really can start taking action on it. So golden offer creation checklist. Define the ultimate desire. What's the dream outcome you're providing? A clear transformation map. What are the key steps and actions that a client has to take in order to definitely get the outcome? For example, if you're in the fitness space, it's like you're definitely going to have to hit certain macros, eat certain micros, eat your nutrients. You're going to definitely have to work out a certain amount of times a week at a certain level of intensity. Like there's just certain things you have to do to get the outcome of dropping 20 pounds or adding 20 pounds of muscle. If you're in the business space, like in order for your ads to work, you literally have to record the ads. Before you record the ads, though, you have to script the ads. Then you have to send the ads out to be edited. So it's like there are certain things you have to do. And your job as the coach, as the consultant, as the guide is to provide a clear transformation map. Now, fast action pathways is, again, it's delivering quick results. What's the quickest way to get your client a win from the moment that they walk in the door? If they walk in the door and you give them resources, okay, cool, now they're learning something. That's a win. Okay, cool, now they're taking action on the resources. By the end of the day, they have an offer that they didn't have before. Cool, that's a win, right? So build out your fast action pathways. You're going to simplify the process and reduce effort barriers. That is, kind of synonymous with provide guarantees or risk removal. It's like you want to reduce the amount of effort it takes for them to take action and the amount of effort that it takes for them to start winning at the game and start winning at whatever it is that they signed up for. So now you're going to include high value bonuses to enhance the appeal. You're going to test and refine the offer based on feedback. And by feedback, I mean market feedback and client feedback. You can just take the data that you get, reframe some things, tweak some things, and make it even better. So this is like the framework of what you need to create a golden offer, an offer that's irresistible, incredibly valuable to the marketplace, and helps you build your dream business. In the next video, I'll go over exactly how to do it. Like, what are the things to consider? How do you identify and actually create an offer? So, peace.